Hello, welcome to Oral Arts Dental Laboratories, founded in 1970 by my father, Thomas Winstead. In the last 50 years, we have grown to service clients all over the United States with high-quality products, excellent customer service, and a speedy delivery with the most advanced dental technology and equipment available today. Oral Arts Dental Laboratories is a full-service dental lab with dedicated teams to every phase of dental technology, from implants, crown and bridge, intraoral scanning, dentures, partials, orthodontics, and sleep apnea appliances. We cover every single need that your clinic could ever have from a dental laboratory. At Oral Arts, our greatest asset is our people. More than the building, more than the technology, the people make the products, the people give you the service, the people create the trust in us that we can deliver your cases on time, consistently, and design the correct way to reduce remakes and increase the patient's satisfaction. It has been our pleasure to serve the dental community for over 50 years. We look forward to working with you and your practice now and in the future. Thank you so much.